Hey guys, and welcome to another toy review. Today we have this toy. It's called the Yikes. This toy, I got it a long time ago, but I'm making the toy review today. I got this a present from someone, and it's actually pretty cool if you want to look inside. So let's open the pack. This bag. So there we go. It's open and the mysterious comes out. This is not the main thing for this. These are just pads. They're supposed to be 4. We lost one. But the real thing is magnet rocks. These magnet rocks are super cool. They can do lots and lots of stuff. And these magnet rocks, they stick, they turn long. You can make bracelets. And this is kind of not what I thought it would be when I first got it. But it's pretty cool. Actually, if I was you, I would get it. If I saw it in the shops, I'll get this toy. It's that good, I think. We got it for free, actually. Someone gave it to us, as I told you before. And these toys, they do pretty cool stuff. I'll teach you how to do the game. So let's set up this pad like that. And you usually use all 4, but today I'm just using 3 because I lost one. Okay, so here we got our magnet rock. You get them, you put them down. You put them all around. Put them down, you put them all around. If they stick, you're out of the game. If they stick, you're out of the game. Like if you do this, but then stone sticks it, and then if they do this, but then there's no more space, so they do. That's the part of the game of Yikes. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please put a big fat thumbs up, and thank you for watching this episode, but because I think we're gonna have to end, and if you saw my first one, my other toy review is the King Jaws toy review. That one is cool too. Thank you for watching, and see you all later. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. And also, don't forget, stay aiming, my friends. Bye!